Welcome, my friends. So today we have to talk again about CI Games. CI Games, oh my god. So CI Games is now at 2.80 zloty. So how do you call the 80s? I don't know. So 2.80 zloty. So we're going to call it like this. So today alone, on this Monday alone, my friends, CI Games was dropping 25%. So in case you were buying CI Games at 3 zlotys or you were buying it at 3.50 and you thought like, come on, it was falling so much, this is coming back. So guys, this was a massive bad day. So here's the 1 year chart. Now on the 1 year chart alone, we're only up 4.48%. So I'm not invested in CI Games. I was once invested. I made 150% and then I sold out because I thought like this is already crazy. And I think I was right because I sold at around about 4 zlotys and I bought in at around about 150 zlotys. So something like this. And if you look now at the overall chart, my friends, so yeah, the gap is closing. So this was the crazy run up to Lords of the Fallen, to this, I would say, this very anticipated Elden Ring Souls-like title. But hey, now it comes back, and to be honest, the anticipation already started also already in 2022. So at this point, my friends, I do not exclude, I don't know, but I do not exclude that it might fall even further, that we see the 2 zlotys again. And then at the 2 zlotys, I could imagine actually thinking maybe for the long term that it's an interesting product. So let's have a look at lots of the an interesting stock. Let's have a look at lots of the Fallen. So we are still at mixed. My friends. So 56.30%. So it's going up very slowly. So it's not going up like, oh yeah, we patched the game and now it's at 60 or 65. No. When it's down, it's going up very slowly. So there's mathematics. So very often people don't understand this. And also when you invest in the stock market and you don't understand this, guy. So that's the issue. So online right now, 31,000. I like this. All-time peak 43,000. I like this. So this is my opinion. Not too bad for let's say some AA title from CI Games. So the previous game was actually developed by Deck 13 a game developer from Germany, and now it's Hexworks. It's an internal game studio by CI Games. So I didn't buy this game yet because I'm just letting the beta testers, the alpha testers, or how do you call those people that buy games now immediately? I just let them run and test the game. So we already got a lot of patches, and apparently it runs a little bit better. And yeah, as you can see, yes, the blue thumbs ups are back, but I'm just waiting a little bit. Probably it would run even good on my machine. So here we go, my friends. So here I have something very important from Twitter. So Marek Tyminski, so I think he's a cool guy. So he seems to be also very reactive, but I'm actually feeling sad. Actually, honestly, guys, I feel sad for the developers and also for them that they seem to really need to learn this lesson, and then hopefully next time it's getting better. So here he writes, for example, we are pleased to confirm, following the release of Lords of the Fallen, that CI Games is well positioned for the future games in our development pipeline, so Projekt Survive and action RPG Projekt 3. We will announce the key data for Lords of the Fallen in the coming days. So, and then he writes also in another tweet, closed open betas are now an essential part of the development process when working on such technologically advanced games as Lords of the Fallen. This is a very important learning and we will take to future projects. Guys, I mean, honestly, did they have no one to test this game on let's say test the game on 1,000 different PCs? I mean, this is such a massive game, so you want to test it on 1,000 different machines, on 1,000 different configurations. You don't want to be the company that has this fail on Steam, because Steam is really merciless. They are merciless. So I don't understand this. So, and hey, I'm honestly, I was following this project, and they could have They could have written to me and asked, "Hey, here we have a demo. Can you please check out this demo?" And I already have two different PCs, one old one with a 980 and one with a not Titan 4090 overclocked. So I could already test the game on different machines. No, but they are not. No. They're not interested in testing it probably better. So the release of Lords of the Fallen is a great accomplishment for Hexwork, one of CI Games' internal development studios, assembled from scratch 3.5 years ago and now 100 strong. Well done to everyone involved. So 100 people have 100 different PCs at home. Did those people try it out? I don't understand though. And 3.5 years ago, I mean, you had quite some time to think about this. While the majority are enjoying Lords of the Fallen, as illustrated by a 4 out of 5 star user rating on PlayStation, we are not resting on our success and are continuing to listen and quickly react to player feedback. So the 2 patches released over the weekend have already changed something, he says. All right. I guess, my friends, I guess that those patches changed something. I mean, we can also read again a little bit here. So it's fun. Bought this game for my younger brother. They straight up lied about the co-op. So now people actually complain more about the co-op, as it seems this game isn't difficult. So it seems the technical side is solved. So I'm still not buying it right now because I have enough other games to play. I don't need this game now to play. But hey. So I can just say hey. you can hear this guy. So CI Games, so the gaming company itself. I think it's okay to have a bad game once in a while, or having a bad start. I mean, the game is good, seems to be good, so it's not a bad game. But having a bad start. But honestly, I think so. If you look now at the 1 month chart, 56%, and on the 5-day charts already almost 40%. So maybe tomorrow is a little movement to the upside, but I would say we go down to the around about the 2 slotties, and then it gets more interesting. So if I'm saying this right now, then probably everyone buys now. But hey, I don't think actually my game that my videos have this kind of influence. So if you're new to my channel, check out my other videos. And I'm leaving this here now with a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a YouTuber, a retail investor myself. So please do not invest in anything you see on my channel. Always do your own research. Probably if you were watching my channel, you would have bought at 6-7 slotties, and now you would sell at 280. So you would have lost all your money, guys. So that's how it goes in investing. Always invest small portions, diversify a lot, think a little bit about Warren Buffett. I'm not making a Warren Buffett video here, but think a little bit how he invests. And in general, don't go too risky. Please don't go too risky. I know it's difficult with some of the gaming stocks, but always keep in mind what goes up like this will fall like this. It's just normal. It's how things go. So it's very rare that a company can live up to the hype and stay up like this. So very rarely is happening. So at this point here, I actually managed to sell at Starward Industries, also up 150% at one point. I missed to sell, and it's also falling now since the demo actually came out. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.